Maybe it doesn't matter for now. So I just want to see if I restart the server again. I got the cap response. Do I have more? Okay, so the message has the batch information, and the batch information contains the display name. So are these extra things always contained within the same message as the last thing? So the batch. So if I just have the entire line, will the batch info always be like the first thing, or? Okay, so I broke the bot. Okay, so I guess they're always on the same line. So I would need a much smarter way of parsing this thing then. So that explains why they remove the tag components first in the example from Twitch. In their parser, they just remove this entire thing, separate it out to a raw tag component string, which is parsed separately. So the tags are always in the same message as the regular IRC commands. And they're looking for the first new space. So this entire thing doesn't have a single... Okay. So after the first white space, you get the regular old thing that I was parsing before. So to deal with this thing, you would have to extract the tags first and then run the match for the command. And this thing, I wonder if it's in... It's in a format that's separated by a semicolon. So there's a key and there's a value. So a key equals sign and a value and separated by a semicolon. So we could parse this thing into like an object or something by separating on the semicolons. So you could do okay, so you can't do continue in a for each. So if the message starts with an @ sign, so maybe this entire thing so how do I make this into its own thing? Because right now this thing is using the connection object and it's not in a global scope. So I have to separate the command and the command parsing from the command executing, I guess. Um, Something like that. So I need to send this thing on to the thing that's parsing the commands. And what do I need to execute the commands? I need to know the command.